Okay, so now I'm going to add another appointment. So I'm going to add my second testing patient. And again, I've set the start time for this office at noon. So I'm going to try to double book Dr. Apple. We're going to try a different type of visit. All right, I'm going to try to book room 101 again just so you can see what happens. Okay, it will tell you that room 101 is in use for this time slot. So you'll just click OK, and I'm going to switch to another room and try to add this appointment again because that appointment would not have been added.